Hi guys, today I show you my two favorite knives. I'm tagged by my bushcraft friend Naturliebe from Germany, so thank you Tito of thinking about me. Here are my two favorite knives. I show you first the smaller one. So the smaller one is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, foldable, very simple but very effective. I think most of you know this type of knife. I have a leather case. I made it from an old pistol holder. Uh, this part was a magazine holder. I cut it out and I can use it on my belt. There is a small injury on the blade, maybe you can see. I have a little story about it. I tried to tackle an electric socket and I touched the electrical wire and I heard a big book and I saw a small lightning and the blade was damaged, but fortunately not me. So this is a very useful tool. So and in the forest you can use it very well. So this is my favorite bushcraft knife. The sheet is made from PVC, painted. It holds the knife quite good. I can hold it on my belt or on my hand, neck. So this is the knife. The blade is 10 centimeters long, the handle 11.5 centimeters long. Solingen Martin. Handy, comfortable. The blade is 4 millimeters thick. So this is my second favorite knife. And the bonus, this is Muela Echo from Spain. Muela Arque from Spain. This is a hunter knife. Very, very nice, beautiful, full tang. I use it only on my birthdays. The blade is 17.5 centimeters long. The handle 12 centimeters. Leather sheet. So, thank you my friend. And at the end I tag missioneaventura.it Italy, Michal Turon 1108 and Kalatorul 78. Thank you. See you later. Bye.